everyone, so today is going to be my Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing. If you don't know what the Lookfantastic beauty box is, it is a monthly subscription box that costs me £13 a month, but depending on how long you take a subscription, it can actually cost you a little bit more. So I got the 12-month subscription, but I still pay it monthly, but I'm in a subscription plan of 12 months, so I get it for £13 a month. If you pay monthly, you can, if you want a just monthly subscription, so you're not in an actual like plan sort of thing, it's on the website anyways, but it ranges from £13 to £15 a month depending on what subscription plan you take. I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic that will give you a discount on this subscription. I'll have it on the screen here, but it does give you a discount on Lookfantastic itself as well, on majority of the items on this Lookfantastic, and it gives you a good little discount too. So it's definitely worth trying that coupon code. And yeah, we're just going to unbox it. And anyways, I'm quite excited to unbox this. Last month's was so good. If you haven't seen last month's, it was such a good box. So the first thing we've got here is just a little small size, but it's 75ml, so it's like a travel size. It is the Esar body wash in bergamot and lime. I do really like Esar products. Oh wow, that smells so fresh and zesty, like, oh yeah, like that would set you off for the day sort of thing. I really like the smell of that actually. Let's see what it says about it. It says it is a travel size, so I was right, £6, and it says refresh and condition your skin with this soap-free body wash infused with uplifting blend of pure essential oils including bergamot and jasmine, kind to all skin types. Yeah, oh, quite excited about that. This is like you know, when you're wanting a luxury shower, luxury bath. Yeah, definitely. So the next thing is we've got this funny looking little sponge, and it's rather small. It says it's a natural sea sponge. Now I love trying stuff like this, so I'm quite excited about this, to be honest, even though it's tiny. Does it expand? It says it's full. Oh, it kind of creeping me out. Does it expand like when you put it in? Because it's so little, like, I mean, because I wouldn't really want to wash my whole body with that tiny little sponge. It says it's a full size. It says it's a Hydria Fina Silk Natural Honeycomb Sec Sponge. It says enhance your beauty rituals with this luxuriously silky sponge sourced from the Mediterranean Sea, ideal for applying cosmetics for flawless and long-lasting results. For deep cleansing, especially around those hard-to-reach areas around the eyes, nose, gently exfoliation, which helps smoothen the skin and look at fine lines and wrinkles. So you can use it as... You can use it to apply your makeup, and you can use it to wash your face. Okay, this is a bit different. So it's definitely for your face, not your body. I don't know how I would feel about applying my makeup with that, but I might try that with cream blush or something. And it says that's worth £7.50. I've never seen anything like that before. Like, I've seen them, but not where it says it can be applied for makeup and wash yourself. So, okay. So the next thing we've got here is the Lips Ointment Multi-Balm. It says it's a multi-balm, and I think it's in coconut scent. Oh, we've got a guest. This is worth £10. I've never had Lips that I know of. And you could have got this or Dr. Paw thing. So I'm quite happy I've got this because I've had Dr. Paw plenty of times. It says this multi-purpose 100% natural balm boosts a moisturising blend to deeply hydrate your lips, cuticles, elbows, dry skin areas, and even insect bites. Oh, I might keep that for insect bites then. This balm delivers the antioxidant benefits of coconut oil and vitamin E to protect against harmful external stressors. We've got a guest. We've got Georgie. Georgie, do you want to say hello? And she's like, no, leave me alone. And she's off. She doesn't like that. Oh, we've lost the page. So then next you could get either a Nux product, which is the multi-purpose dry oil, which is the 30ml. Oh, I would have liked that. But I didn't get that. I got this, which I do actually like. I really like this product. It is the Rodial Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub. This is worth £15. So this one is actually worth more. It says it's infused with high performance vitamin C and papaya extract. This gentle to gel to oil exfoliator Coat your face with skin protecting antioxidants that promote a radiant complexion with a luminous glow. I really like this product. I've had this product before and I really do like it, so I'm quite happy that I've got it, and it does definitely give your face like a little bit of a boost, like just makes you look fresh looking when you use it, so I do like that product. Then next we've got something from Wella, and this is an intense repair mask. I haven't used anything from Wella in so long. This is worth £10. It's a travel size, so this seems to be like the travel size box. It says this 5-minute conditioner mask helps to repair damaged hair and protect against further breakage, leaving you with silky smooth locks. Formulated with the brand's Silk Steel Fusion technology, this nourishing mask leaves the hair feeling hydrated and satin soft. Yeah, sounds nice enough. I love a good hair mask, so I'm quite happy with that. Last but not least is a very small size, a little itty bitty size, and this is supposed to be worth £11. I mean, how little is this? How little is this? You'd think they could give away a bigger size. It is worth £11. It is 25ml, and it is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, or Boom Boom Cream, or whatever you want to say it. Everyone in the mother knows what this is now. It says the formula of this trending body cream is enriched with guarana extract, kapua butter, acai oil and coconut oil to leave deeply hydrated and nourish the skin, elevate your body care routine. Ow! I'm being scratched. Sorry. Well, you don't need to bite it. I think I've walked into something that maybe attracts cats, because Georgie is literally full on just chewed on me. I've just come back from a walk. Yeah, where was I? It says elevate your body care routine with this irresistible scent of the iconic, whatever this is. Everyone in the mother has tried this, I feel like, and if you haven't, you've been living under a rock, honestly. And it does smell, I mean, I feel like it smells alright. I wouldn't say it was out flash. I don't get the hype, to be honest. I can't open it. Oh, I would have smelled it, but I like the smell, but I wouldn't say I would pay for it, you know. Like, in my opinion, I think I rather smell of something. I want to smell like misty or something. That's what I mean. I can't get the lid on either. Let's see what next month's sneak peek is. The next month's sneak peek. I'm so excited about this. So if you don't want to know what next month's sneak peek is, don't look. We are getting a Trigwell puff. I'm so excited about this. You just don't understand. I have bought this puff so many times, but never for myself. It's for my niece. And I felt it, and this kitten is going nuts. I felt it, and it is beautiful. It's not like another puff. It really isn't. Yeah, so that is our sneak peek for next month, and I'm going to keep this puff for myself. I really am so excited about that. Right, and anyways, I'll run through our products again. The products we've got is the Rhodial Vitamin C enzyme scrubby thing. I really like that. The Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream Mini. I feel like this was a little bit small, not gonna lie. The Lano Lips, quite excited about that. The Wella Fusion Hair Mask. The Esar Shower Gel smells beautiful. Really like that. And this sponge, which I'm a bit like, ooh, it's a bit strange. But yeah, that is my Lookfantastic beauty box this month. I think I preferred last month's, but I don't dislike this month. But I definitely feel like we could have had just a tiny bit bigger than this. Yeah, but that's about it. But I think it's a good enough box. It's a good enough box, especially for £13 and anyways. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like these type of unboxings, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you soon.